Hello, beautiful souls. Today's video is a deeply personal one as we're diving into a topic close to my heart: overcoming eating disorders and embarking on the road to recovery. If you or someone you know is struggling, know that you're not alone. Together, we'll explore strategies and insights to help you find healing and reclaim your relationship with food and your body. I'm Brenda, and I've walked this path myself. I understand the challenges and the triumphs that come with overcoming an eating disorder. So let's dive in and begin this journey together. Before we delve into recovery strategies, I want to share a bit of my own journey with you. For years, I battled with disordered eating patterns and negative body image. It wasn't easy, but through therapy, support from loved ones, and sheer determination, I found my way to recovery. And if I can do it, so can you. Strategy number 1: seek professional help. Recovery from an eating disorder often requires professional guidance. Whether it's therapy, nutritional counseling, or medical intervention, reaching out to trained professionals can provide you with the support and tools you need to navigate this journey. Therapy sessions and support groups will provide adequate help. Remember, asking for help is a sign of strength, not weakness. You deserve support on your path to recovery. Strategy number 2: challenge negative thoughts and beliefs. Eating disorders are often fueled by distorted thoughts and beliefs about food, weight, and body image. Learning to challenge and reframe these thoughts is essential for recovery. Practice self-compassion and challenge negative self-talk. You are worthy of love and acceptance regardless of your size or shape. Strategy number 3: cultivate a healthy relationship with food. Reconnecting with food in a positive and nourishing way is a crucial aspect of recovery. Focus on intuitive eating, honoring your hunger and fullness cues, and enjoying a diverse range of foods without guilt or restriction. Make sure and be preparing and enjoying a balanced meal. Food is not the enemy, it's fuel for your body and a source of pleasure and nourishment. Embrace the joy of eating and savor every bite. Strategy number 4: build a supportive network. Surround yourself with individuals who uplift and empower you on your journey to recovery. Seek out support groups, online communities, or trusted friends and family members who understand and validate your experiences. Connection is key to recovery. Lean on your support network during the tough times and celebrate your victories together. And there you have it, 4 strategies to guide you on your road to recovery from an eating disorder. Remember, healing is a journey, not a destination. Be patient with yourself, celebrate your progress, and never lose hope. Thank you for joining me on this journey today. If you found this video helpful, please consider sharing it with someone who may need it. Together we can break the stigma surrounding eating disorders and support one another on the path to recovery. Until next time, stay strong and keep shining.